Alright guys, so pretty much walked the entire beach. I think there's a restaurant I'm gonna try tomorrow. Now I'm heading into the park, and then once I'm done with the park, we'll get something to eat, then head back, do some work. Tomorrow is supposed to be my work day, but I think I'm gonna wind up just doing a little bit of beach as well, because I don't really have any freelance projects going on right now. So let's see what's going on. Shadows. So typically today is Monday, I would not even be filming, but because yesterday's beach day was such a bust, I am heading down to the beach again to see if we can get some sun in our life. So here we go. And then I also realized I didn't give you guys a tour of the hostel room, so when I get back I'll do that real quick and then give you my final thoughts on Burgas. And then tomorrow we head to Varna. Alright guys, sorry about being in the comfy clothes, but I realized I never gave you a tour of the hostel. So I'm staying at Hostel Chi in Burgas. This is my kind of view from one window. And this is my view from the other side. So it's pretty nice. This is the room itself. Haven't spent much time in here, and hopefully there's enough light, but this is like the common room. Another little kitchen. And that way. So it has a little kitchen, and then the last place I showed you was the way towards the bathroom. I'm not going to go into there. It's still kind of looks like it's still like a work in progress, so that's pretty cool. I think once they've got everything done, it'll be an awesome place. It's pretty cool as it is. And that is the tour. So let me give you my final thoughts on Burgas. Ow, I just said on a pencil. So Burgas is awesome. It and Plovdiv probably are my favorite cities in Bulgaria. Lots of great restaurants, lots of beautiful things to see. The beach is amazing. Yeah, the only thing that I found that kind of annoyed me is that here the seagulls are super loud at night. Like, I've stayed in like ocean towns. I've lived in ocean towns, and I've never heard such aggressive seagulls, so be warned. Earplugs are your friend. But yeah, come to Burgas. I'm into Varna next, which is another seaside town. So we'll see what it's like, but I'm pretty positive I think I'm gonna like Burgas more. And yeah, so that's where I'm gonna leave Burgas, guys. This is the end of my stay here, and tomorrow we will start our journey to Varna. Yeah, so that's it for Burgas. Come see it. It's amazing. The water is outstanding. The beaches are beautiful. The seaside garden or park is amazing. Definitely. So until next video, guys, safe journeys.